Well, welcome back everyone. Today, if you don't remember, you basically saw me get the Big Wave Beach key, and guess what? Right on the Big Wave Beach. Let's just get that and move. Let's been upgrading my plants. It is. Let's go into this. Yeah, Big Wave Beach. I'm gonna show you what's in level 1. Okay, yeah. This is level 1. Do you know what it said? What? Don't worry what he said. He said it from Shark. I know. He's watching Shark. He's watching Shark with animals talking. And the animals and the pig said shut up. Are you not? Okay, I'm going to show you the new zombie in level 2. Yeah, please, gill zombies. Okay. That's it. Can they stop showing the stupid damn ads? Bro. Hey? How about we play level 3 and show you a little playthrough of this Big Wave Beach level. Pee 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 in the pool, pee pee in the pool. We pee in the pool, we pee in the pool. We don't pee in the pool, we pee in the pool. Oh, we got Chomper. Yeah, I remember having him. The police walkers are strapped. Oh my Chompster. Yep. Well, that's because Yep, I do definitely want to do it, but I can't right now. Because of my stupid phone. I need to fix this. Don't mind. And quickly. A burpee. I'm having a great time already. Hope you enjoy watching. I don't think the viewers are even enjoying watching this because I haven't been speaking. Let's just play. Let's just play the next level. Hope you don't hear Elijah watching shark because it might be copyright. Okay, let's just do the see if there's a new one. Is that a mermaid imp? Okay. Hurricanes. But what the heck, dude? My new colony? A beach and a gooch. What the heck are you minding me? Can we not stop with a single dumbbell? A single piece of pizza can fill the family. Quick! There's a tire right now. What the heck, dude? Hurry up, someone, you gotta do something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, brains will be eaten. Oh, these are the imps. Can they hurt you already? Yep, and we just got that one. Need this finishing. How about we just do this for the finishing touches? Oh? Oh, you're not eating my flower. If you eat that, you're punished. I'm not eating my pie food. Oh, it's having a great time. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Wait. Anymore? Yes! We do have some peanut butter plums. Can we not have you eating a stupid dumbass plants? You see a Simba. Okay, the fear. Did the pie get bigger? What the heck? No? Well, we got a lovely new rebellion fire. I'm burning a fire. That 3 torchwords count as police fire. No, we can't. hit this downwind. Nope. Didn't do anything, but that was a good lesson of us getting and completing new level of backtracking. Now we're on the next level. Of course we are on to the next level. I'm the final boss. Jurassic Marsh, go watch that. I didn't know Jurassic Marsh was going to turn out that easy. It was so cool. Like, bro. Huh? What? Huh? Okay. Hold up. This is not what I'm thinking, is it? No way. This is what I'm thinking. Yes. I remember this getting too easy. What? It's missing. He's magically pulled down from the surface. I'm doing yeah. That was crazy. Okay. There's literally gonna be pulled down from a waist. But just kill them because there's no water. Honestly, it's very powerful, just decapitating. Yeah. Oh my god. Well, I already have a good time here. You're not dallying me. But, one zombie was taken down from the depths of hell into Marion Deep Blue Gardens. I hate this. What on earth is happening? Yes, let's just go for the lawnmower. So, can't be taking two of them because you're already gonna be losing the lawnmower. zombie. Yahoo! Had a great time. Did you? Who cares? Check the gauge. Let's see. Can we stop with the... Okay. Joel's here. Not in here, but... Wait, we can get this. Okay. What you got for me, zombies? It's making us use all of this junk crap. What the hell? Okay, here it is. I'm not using that. We're using this one. I literally see you. Hello? I'm not looking at you right there. I think I am. Who the heck said you can put anything? Can we start with the mermaid? Snorkel zombie! That's a snorkel! We can't hit the zombies. If the snorkels are under there, I think I know why we need this dude. That's why we need that. Well, I wonder why I have to see these. Because we're facing a huge damn weight. Okay. Because we can just put that little mine down in the ocean. It's goodbye, little one. Since there's a potato mine there, I still don't want him to go in there. Yeah, we're not letting this dude go above the water. How about we make him eat? So, if we get up, we can see him eating his food. He's been exposed in the ocean. Yep, finished. Oh, now you're not going anywhere. Yep. Okay, so here, oh, the ready in trouble. Sounds terrible. What? Because we're exposing all these zombies, exposing everything here. Not good. Especially who cares? Sass? Who gaffs? Who cares? Well, we need a Micro Gallagher. Oh, what the heck? Didn't you that long? Little zombie, little zombie. Oh, we did that. Okay, what the heck? Oh, this is happening. Yep. Instead, we're eating it. This. Huh? Well, I just have a tragic life now these days. But no, that doesn't have a warmer. Yes, we lost this many. But we lost this. I'm proud of myself. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. You better like and subscribe or come to your house. Hey, 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 hey.